Welcome everyone, this is the G-Double Computer Tutorial channel. If you are here and last C++ lesson, we learned how we can write a C++ program to print an even number between 1 and 20, where we use the first method, and this is what we learned before, right? So once you run this program, let me go ahead and show you how to display an output before jump into our today's lesson, right? You see, this is how we print our even numbers from 1 to 20 by using this condition of adding I with 2, right? So now I'm going to show you the second method of how you can do it. Yeah, what we do here is just to change condition, right? Here, as you see, we are going to change this for loop control statement. Now, first of all, let us just count the numbers from 1 to 20 as usual. We start with for int I with 1, I which is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 20, and then I which is equal to I plus 1 as usual, right? Like this. When we write like this and we compile our program again, once we run it, to display numbers from 1 to 20 without any change, as you see, right? So now the second step, we are going to now to drag those numbers which are even, right, in this list. To do this, we have to select those numbers by using if control statement. We are going to write here if our I modulus 2 and remainder equal to 0. In this case, means that that number will be an even number. That's why here we will display I. Otherwise, nothing will be displayed, right? So that's why I have to put here. Now I changed the condition. I'm going to count those numbers from 1 to 20, but if reach the number divided by 2, remainder 0. In that case, I will display that number. Otherwise, nothing will be displayed, right? So let me save it and show it again how this works, right? Yeah, nothing is complicated here. Just is to make comparison. As usual, you see there is no error. Let us run it now. You see, this is our output again by using this condition of checking whether when we take a number modulus 2, remainder will be 0, right? Yeah, the even numbers between 1 and 20, as you see, are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20, right? So this is just how you can use this condition by printing even numbers from 1 to any number you want, right? So this is the end of our today presentation. Thank you for watching this video, and let me see you in the next one.